So like everyone been asking me to make this video. Actually no one asking, but so my friend kept asking me on how to check his BMI, and I said just go to Google and type how to check my fucking BMI. And he said, what if I don't have any internet connection to open Google? Well, I said just use C#. And I know what he's going to say. What if I don't have any C#? Well, I fucking put the download link on my fucking description, you mom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open C# and create a new project and choose console app net framework and click next. Right here you're gonna pick name for your project and then click create. Actually I don't really know how to coding. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get rid of all this except the using system, alright? Just up and flip and you're ready to go. So first you need to ask his name with manners. What you're gonna do is you're gonna type CW and you're gonna press tab 2 times, and yeah, it's a shortcut, you know. And what you're gonna do right here inside this, you're gonna put quotation mark and you're just gonna ask him what is your name, sir? And what you're gonna do, you're gonna control F5 and this is gonna turns out what is your name, sir? So to answer this question you need to type string input. Actually you can put whatever you want like this. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put equals and type console dot read line, and you're gonna put this and this. So if you control F5, this is gonna show up and you can answer his question now. So if you type CW and press tab 2 times and put name here and control F5, this is gonna show up. What's your name, sir? Daniel. And they're gonna type your name again. And it's boring. So how to make it pretty boring? So what you're gonna do is to add quotation mark here and type okay. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add plus here and here. So we need to add more quotation mark and we're gonna add aka Palermo. Do you want to check your BMI? And if you control F5, it's gonna show up. What is your name, sir? I don't know my name. Okay, Dino, aka Palermo, do you want to check your BMI? So Palermo is actually a guy from Money Heist. So if you want to answer this question, you need to redo this. String answer equals console dot read line. Put this and this. Actually we can use the same variable after the string because we already have that. So I changed the name to answer. So we're gonna control F5. What is your name, sir? My name is Daniel. Do you want to check BMI? No, I mean yes. But what if someone says other than yes? Well, this is the solution. If, and put that shit because I don't know what name is that. And you're going to type answer equals to yes. The next thing you're gonna do is make this shit, I don't know what the fuck is this, and you're gonna press enter. And you're gonna type CW and press tab 2 times and ask him about his weight. Okay, Palermo, what's your height? What's your weight? And if you control F5, this is going to show up. What's your name again? And do you want to check your BMI? Yes. Okay, Palermo, what's your height? What's your weight? But what if he said no? Well, we're gonna type else and make this shit again, then press enter, and then we're gonna put CW, tap 2 times, and type, yeah. So we're gonna control F5. Let's see, what's your name, sir? Again. Do you want to check BMI? No. Well, fuck off. So if we say yes, they're gonna ask a question, and this is how you answer the question. You're going to enter this and you're going to type double weight equals to convert dot to double. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna this bracket and you're gonna type console dot readline. You can put this shit and this shit. So yeah, we can tap our weight now. As you know, to check your BMI you need weight and height. So we're gonna ask another question. So type CW, taps 2 times, and ask about his height in inches. So we're going to type this. Okay. What's your height in inches? So we're gonna control F5 again. Yes. But what's your height? 67. Okay, badass. What's your height in inches? So to answer the question, we just need to copy this and then enter this and paste, and we just need to change the weight to height. Then you're gonna control F5. What is your name, sir? Okay, Daniel. Yes. What's your height? 67. What's your height in inches? 1.71. So they already have our height and weight. So what we need is BMI formula, and the formula is going to type double BMI equals to weight that and height and don't forget this. Oh, means this. So the last step is they're gonna give you your BMI. So type CW, steps 2 times, and you're gonna put this. Okay, then you're gonna put this plus, then put your name plus, and then this, and let's say your BMI is, you know, like this and this, and put BMI, and we're done. So let's see. Control F5. What is your name, sir? My name is Daniel. Okay, what do you want to check your BMI? Yes. What's your height? What's your weight? 45 maybe? Okay, badass. What your height in inches? 1.67. Okay, Daniel, your BMI is, yeah, that's my BMI. Sorry, that's my bad. You need to make this. Okay. and you're done.